So this is the CTB1-17. It is a cone tumble blender. It's got a working volume of 1 cubic foot and a total volume of 1.5 cubic foot. It rotates at about 24 RPM. The one you see here, the cone, is fully made of 304 stainless steel, and the frame is epoxy painted carbon steel. For the discharge, we have a manual discharge valve. You pull this handle, rotate it down, and there's a little valve in there that rotates. So this is the discharge orientation. Rotate it back up, and it's back to shut. For these Tumble blenders, they're typically used for the blending of dry powders, like steel powders or flours or paint pigments. These can be used for quite a wide range of things. By nature, since they're meant for blending dry, free-flowing powders, imagine when you discharge, there's a lot of dust that comes out. So in this specific case, what we did was we added a small extension here with a little clamp. So when the customer discharges here, they'll be doing so into a 5-gallon bucket that'll fit right here. Inside the bucket, they'll have a plastic bag. So when they discharge, they'll put that bag on this chute here, tighten this clamp, and discharge directly in, to trap in all that dust. Depending on what your customer specific application is, we have a large range of options for dust control, ranging from something as simple as this to an expandable hose or bellows or even a custom discharge chute. Yeah, so we can really match whatever our customers' needs are.